Namaste, I JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae of Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today session is amenorrhea. Definition: amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. Classification of amenorrhea: or clinical type. Amenorrhea divided in two types: physiological amenorrhea and pathological amenorrhea. Physiological amenorrhea further divided into two types: primary amenorrhea and secondary amenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea before puberty. Secondary amenorrhea during pregnancy, during lactation, following menopause. So first is physiological amenorrhea. Now second, pathological amenorrhea further divided into two types. First, concealed. Second is real, means true, and concealed means cryptomenoria. Concealed or cryptomenoria further divided into two types. First, congenital. Second, acquired. Real pathological amenorrhea further divided into two types: primary and secondary. So this is classification of amenorrhea. Now symptoms. Pain, especially in lower abdomen. So only these symptoms are appear in amenorrhea. We discuss primary amenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea due to failure of HPO axis, means हाइपोथैलेमो पिट्यूटरी ओवेरियन एक्सिस के फेलियर होने से प्राइमरी एमेनोरिया डेवलप हो सकता है. साथ में कोई कंजेनाइटल एनोमलीज हो सकती है उस वजह से. सेकेंड इज क्रिप्टोमेनोरिया. Cryptomenorrhea means menstrual blood falls to come out from the genital tract due to imperforation of hymen यूट्रस। सो इस वजह से मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड कम आउट नहीं हो पाता है। सिम्टम्स, पेन इन लोअर एब्डोमेन। नाउ इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ एमेनोरिया। फर्स्ट, हिस्ट्री of patient. Second is clinical or clinical symptoms or physical examination. Third is USG of whole abdomen और USG ऑफ ट्रांसवेजाइनल। सो ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराने के बाद में मेनली कोजेस का पता लग सकता है कि एमेनोरिया किस वजह से है। नाउ सेकेंडरी एमेनोरिया। यूट्राइन कोजेस, ovarian causes, hypothalamus may cause, and fourth is pituitary cause, fifth is systemic disease. So uterine cause में imperforation, absent of uterus, ovarian causes में PCOD, premature failure of ovum, hypothalamus में meningitis, pituitary में Sheeman syndrome and adenoma of pituitary gland, systemic disease में malnutrition, diabetes. Sixth is endocrine factor, thyroid disorder, diabetes. These causes are responsible for the secondary amenorrhea. Now, management or treatment of amenorrhea. So, homeopathic treatment of amenorrhea. First is Natrimune medicine. Second, Pulsatilla and Sepia. Third, Ignatia. And Simicifuga. So Natrimune is very good medicine for amenorrhea. These are homeopathic therapeutics for amenorrhea. Thank you.